Hey everyone, this is Raspberry Pi and we can access Raspberry Pi via local network SSH, but can we do Raspberry Pi access from outside our network from anywhere? So I will show you how we can do that. So let's say this is our laptop and this is a Raspberry Pi and we want to connect our laptop by SSH in the Raspberry Pi to log in from any network, okay? So let's install a software in our laptop and our Raspberry Pi. I will show every step by step. Then we will create a secure tunnel from our laptop network to our Raspberry Pi. Then we can just connect with it by SSH. Okay, very simple. And let's do it. Okay, so you can see I just SSH connection with my Raspberry Pi and I am inside the Raspberry Pi and I am connected in local Wi-Fi. You can see 192.168.0.13 is local network I am connected, and I will show you how you can make your Raspberry Pi so you can log in with any network, so you don't have to need any public IP. You can just need to do some following things, but if you new today, I will suggest you how you set up the Raspberry Pi OS in your Raspberry Pi 5 and how you can set up the SSH connection first time. Please watch the first video. Okay, first we need to create an account in Tailscale. I will put this link in the description. Create an account with my Gmail. Okay, continue. I will show from scratch. Okay, and what the primary reason on the scale and is IoT connectivity. What is the role within your organization? I'm an engineer. Okay, what VPN is currently you are using? I don't use any VPN right now. And how did you hear the Tailscale phone search? Okay, I am using right now in my Windows PC, so I need to download our Windows version. So download the Tailscale for Windows. Okay, so this is start downloading. Download complete. I'll open it. Okay, it's done installing and we'll get started. Sign in to your network and let's connect. Okay, login successful. Okay, you can see in the dashboard I will connect it in my devices. This is our Pi. I will put all this command in the description, so you just copy and paste here. So we need to install some dependencies here. Okay, there is some dependencies I need to add. apt update. And we will install sudo apt install Tailscale. So I need to run this command and yes. Okay, after downloading we need to open sudo Tailscale up. So it will give a login information because we are using headless monitor, so we have no monitor right now. So this is our authentication key, so we need to copy this key and open to complete our registration. Okay, so this our same account which we already create this one, so it will be same account. Sign in and connect, and you can see it is login successful. So you need to wait to redirect the console, and you can see this is our host, this is our machine, the desktop, and this is the Raspberry Pi. You know, okay, so this is the Raspberry Pi and we need to do a little things. So okay, I think this is one is sudo Tailscale up double dash SSH, and I hope this one is SSH. So this is all we can just, this is with the magic, and so open your device or what SSH client you are using, and this is the Raspberry Pi host. Okay, and you can see login and accept this connection or accept of save, and wow, you are in the Raspberry Pi. Okay, if config, you can see this is my local network, and if you want to see my right now which network I pick config, and you can see I'm in the different network. So in this way you can easily log in from anywhere, from any network with your Raspberry Pi. So I hope this will help you, and if it is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.